Good.
Tell me when you start.
Alright.
Bike's 100% cold. That's the part that is actually going to start in a few weeks. We're going to start by turning on the petcock, pulling the choke. That's going to be here. And turn the key on. Just so it idles a little bit lower, just because that sounded a little high. We're revved to about 2,200 RPM right now with no throttle input whatsoever. I just have my hand on here so I can hold the brake. Not timing it as precisely as last time, but you can tell by the time signature on the video that it hasn't been super long. We're going to turn the choke all the way off and see if it wants to idle now. That sounds a little tired. Let's see. Well, let's see if it wants to come across the parking lot or if it wants to stutter. It's really still not warm yet. You can tell by holding here that it's not barbecuing my hand instantly, but there is some degree of warmth that can be perceived. So, into gear. That would help if I was a better motorcyclist. I wouldn't have to put my foot down in the turn there, but that's okay. If we look down here, there is no sign of leaking out of any of these carburetors. If I put my hands all over the bowls, there's no moisture whatsoever. And so that's also a good sign. Anyhow, looks like it's really loving this summer weather because old bikes do like warm weather. Anyway,